typist and a typewriter are inseparable. The beauty of this antique of a machine is the sound it produces as one clicks on its keys. It was introduced into the world in the year 1890 by Sir Christopher Latham Sholes, making him the first typist and his invention the first of its kind. Sir Samuel W. Soule, Carlos Gliding, and John Pratt are all contended to be inventors of the typewriter. A typist, on the other hand, is a person who operates a typewriter, pressing the keys made up of both alphabets and numerals. One has to have a reservoir of vocabulary and fast fingers to be in this profession. An ink, ribbon, and a paper are the major materials this machine needs to effectively operate. Here in Accra, one is likely to chance on several experienced typists within the central business district in Accra and its surroundings, particularly the law school, the Accra post office, among other places. My team and I were privileged to profile some of them, and here was what they disclosed.
Is a typewriter, and today I am a typist. As difficult as this job might be, it comes with so much flair and originality, from how the keyboards are arranged alphabetically and the sound this machine makes is something everyone from the old ages can resonate to. Today, the advent of technology has made it very difficult for you to see a typical typist typing with a typewriter. There are very few of them in Accra and in Ghana. And today we are here at Accra Post Office, where we are fortunate to find some women and men, for that matter, using a typewriter, and they are called typists. We are here to have a discussion with them.
Oh, I've been in the job for so many years, over 40 years. Well, initially, this type of work is not for amateurs. That's the young people. Unless you have the experience in writing, in framing words, because in the olden days, they established this work for the illiterate to come, so that we write their letters. Okay. You see that the illiterate they can't write. Okay. So if they come, you have to get an experienced person who can write it very well. So it is really for those who are really experienced in their job. Before you get the license from the judicial service, you have to apply to the High Court. Okay. If you apply, they will call you for interview. Okay. Before they approve it. If they approve it, you will be sworn in, but the Chief Justice. Then they issue you with a certificate to operate. So it is not a work that you just find a machine, then go and sit down and do it. No.
Beneficial.
Oh yes, it is through this. It is through this work I've been able to look after my children. Yes.
Okay. Mr. James Yosan Kwanzaa goes on to tell me one needs to be trained, certified, and sworn in by the Chief Justice to be a typist. Fortunately, I was blessed with the presence of a typewriter technician, and he shares with me some challenges these machines are likely to face.
Abafunu why bibia to a manual. Pacho. Manual bibia nti why certain years nti bia 40 bi na ba na yeden. Ya certain. Ya why ink wo so ribbon. And na yede hye so a type a etumi chiro no. Ink no. Ibi to say line spacer no. Line spacer. Written. Okay. And as a ribbon so fade there. What type into me ma. Na yo ahoma bi so ma say tia we need me move college need me move. We just a drum band. Edu bi so space na wo mse ye week. Ot me stop machines until when you fire the corner e ko yi dada no na asanso ya face. Part na de ye de dada no e bi ho asey a ne yɛyi akɔndɛm dada no ne yɛda afixe ama new ones no saa na yɛyɛ no. Oh, fine. Me maya desi me dan nyinaa wɔ kasoa saa adwuma wei 1981 na mmɔsua no wɔ UTC nti na na mgudu a metu sine kita me na na meda yɛ adwuma up to now. Me de Mr. J. Emmanuel J.
My name is Emmanuel Wilson, and this is Adwa TV.